Hey you guys, we're just pulling into Agua Caliente here in Rancho Mirage, California. We've never stayed here before, so we're looking forward to seeing what it's all about, and be sure to stay tuned till the end of the video and we'll let you know what we thought of our stay. Guys, we just got checked into Agua Caliente here in Rancho Mirage in California, and the room is really big. So here's the restroom. As you can see, a separate shower, nice size shower too, on its own.
It's really nice.
And a huge tub. Like, boy, that's something to step in.
Yeah,
this
totally.
sucker, huh?
Yeah, totally.
That's really nice. Double sinks, we like that, double vanity. A little water closet over here, which is nice, but very, very good size, really good size. Nice size mirror. And then coming over here, oh, the closet's really nice, isn't it?
Yeah, nice robes.
Got some robes, you know, the usual, but nice size. We don't have that much stuff, but it's still a nice size. And then let's see, so they do have a Keurig and a couple of like regular coffee mugs, which we love that. A little fridge, looks cold, it's icy, cold. Frosty. And we have the one king room. And as you can see, it's actually a very good sized room and it feels so clean. Oh my goodness. Nice size TV, I think,
it is.
You know? A lot of drawers if you had things to put away, and a little desk area here. And then a little love seat here to kick back, and huge windows.
Yeah.
We're not up very high. We're only on the 5th floor, but it's still really nice. And we can see the pool area down there. It's very hazy today. It's very windy and dusty, I guess. But boy, I would say first impressions, this place is great.
Very, very nice.
Yeah, so we'll be sure to let you know what we think. Agua Caliente in Rancho Mirage, California, and it was our first time staying there, and the hotel is beautiful. I mean, it's really, really nice. Our room, as you saw in the video, was very good size for a standard room, and it was immaculate. I mean, it was so clean and smelled good, and it was very, very comfortable. It was so quiet there. As you saw going down the hall, we were pretty far at the end of the hallway, but I didn't hear anyone any time during the night at all. And the bed was very comfortable, good pillows.
very contemporary. Nice, floor to ceiling windows.
Yeah,
and,
that was pretty cool.
Everything you need. I mean, really nice bathroom, great bed, great bedding.
Yeah, and the shower, whenever it's one of those rain shower head things, I'm always a little concerned if I need to wash my hair, because they always have terrible water pressure. This one was great.
It was great.
That was like
Yeah.
the best one I think I've ever been under, and it got really hot.
Nice and hot.
Stayed hot. And there was a Keurig coffee maker, as you saw. That worked great, and they had a couple of nice heavy duty mugs in the room, which is nice too. So our room was fantastic.
Yeah.
I mean, I really enjoyed our room. We hadn't stayed there before because the room rates are really high.
Yeah.
And we got a decent deal. By the time they add on the resort fee and taxes and stuff, it not doubles it, but it definitely.
It was like $180.
It was like 190 something.
Yeah.
Although they advertised 129, so that tells you, $70 worth of fees and taxes and stuff. But I'll tell you, it was a fantastic room. It really was. The casino itself, we showed you a little bit of footage. Really nice. Very, they were constantly cleaning the machines, which I appreciate. It wasn't smoky. It seemed very up to date. I thought the casino was really nice. That being said, boy, did they clean us out. Oh my gosh. Those machines we found them very, very tight.
They were.
I did better on video poker, but the slots just killed me. Absolutely.
They were all new and they had all the latest games, but, it wasn't a matter of finding a machine to play. There was plenty available, but wow.
Yeah, it was pretty ugly.
Pretty ugly.
We're like, thank goodness we're only here one night, because boy, it was pretty brutal.
Definitely did better this morning. We played a little bit this morning.
Yeah, we played a little before breakfast, and I actually did well. But that was video poker again. So, and you did okay on slots this morning.
Yeah, this morning I did. I was playing Dragon Lake and did okay. And Stacy got 4 aces on video poker.
Yeah.
So,
that really helped.
A lot better.
A little bit of money, but all of that, set aside, the property itself is beautiful, cool area. Love the hotel. Just wish we, didn't get slammed at the casino. But it's gorgeous. It really is.
And, summer is the time to try and get a room deal, because it's really high during the spring and the fall.
Yeah. So, and I will say, it was 100 and whatever here yesterday, and our room stayed cool. I mean, that air conditioner
It worked great.
So